So now, finally, I give you a last little sample here, just to show you how the back reference with this grouping information and the capturing is working. Let's take a look here to our search string. So I have actually 2 times in the same as one string, and there are 2 roads inside. So off route and off route. And they are both representing typos. So 2 times road is differently written, and I want to change it to path. So we did this in another session, but here I would like to explain the behavior of the back reference when I do the capturing groups inside a regular expression separated by the pipe, so as to tell the regular expression there are alternatives available. And it looks like there are many parentheses, and it's a lot. So each alternative, so the AA, the OO, and AO are grouped, and the entire set of alternatives is grouped again. And then we have the R in front and the D at the end. So whenever this word, this text, this set of characters appears as a group, it will be the inside group is captured and then reused as a back reference. And the special behavior here is now we have with the pipe and the text that actually has 2 times the string available. 2 of these alternatives are available in the string. The single $1 object here in our replacement regular expression is a back reference to the group, but actually to 2 internal groups, but stored in $1 only. So maybe it's better to execute this and show you the result. So when I execute the script, you see that the term road, the first one, the ROOD, is replaced with path, including a text string where I have the back reference $1 to the first appearing or the first captured group information. But there is the second text part that actually has also been captured, but by another combination, by another alternative. But it's stored in the same group back reference number. So I get the second part with the AO as a replacement. So it looks tricky. It is tricky, yeah. So when you compare this to the previous session, there we had more or less the AND combination. So 2 separate groups. And for each, I was able to go through by $1, $2, $3. And here we have the alternative where I can back reference to all captured alternatives in one single text just by one single back reference.
Yeah, so it looks like a lot, but it's using all of the pieces you've walked me through over this lesson and the previous one. And yeah, it'll take some getting used to, but the building blocks are in place.
Yeah. Happy to hear this, and I guess for the introduction, we are done now, and we are going actually to check now how we can solve your issue. You have again an issue,
I
right?
always have issues.
Yeah. And we're going to solve this directly in Integrator.
All right, sounds great.